And did you shoot any fish today? Why did we just get back here? I need to get the whole thing in. And did you shoot any fish?
I did not. I did hook myself, so I think I have the biggest catch.
I shot the biggest fish of everybody today.
Didn't shoot anything. I at least got something on
That's
my
my video, I can lie in